Y'all ever wondered what a 2004 Honda Civic looks like after 400,000 plus miles? Well, you come to the right place. I'm gonna show you. This is my 2004 Honda Civic with over 400,000 miles on the clock. This is what it looks like. So, starting off on the outside, we got a little front end damage right here up on the bumper. It's not too bad. These headlights are going to need restored. We'll go ahead and do that in another video, so stay tuned for that. But go ahead and give a quick walk around. So we got some rust back here on these fenders. Looking pretty bad, just cosmetic. Still drives and runs fine, so I'm not too concerned with that. This back bumper here, we got a little damage on it. Just popped out a little bit, but good enough. That's what the back of the car looks like. Go around here to the other side. Got that same deal with this bumper popping out. And then some more rust here on this rear fender. And then walking up to the front of the car. It's looking pretty clean. Its headlights need redone like I said before. But other than that, thing looks pretty good for over 400,000 miles on it. So let's jump into the inside now. This is the inside of the car. All the switches work. Sunroof works. Power mirrors work. It's a 5-speed manual. Shifts through all the gears just fine. There's a sunroof up there. She still works fine. The only thing that does not work in here is the FM on the radio. So for some reason that's not working. If you guys have any tips, let me know in the comments. But other than that, the inside of this thing is looking pretty clean. Go to the back seat. Here's the back of this thing. Oh, she's looking pretty good except for that little interior flaw there. Part of the door panel peeling off, but got some stains on the carpets and stuff. Well, we're gonna try to get all that out with a good detail. But other than that, I'll show you guys here the clock on it. So there it is, 425 500 miles on this unit. Also, just to be clear here with you guys, this thing's still got the original motor in it, original trans, original clutch, and they're all doing great. Like I said, things run through all the gears good. She runs about 80 miles an hour down the highway every day.